Good morning, dear students. Today we shall go through a few basic trigonometric identities. Basic trigonometric identities. And what are these identities? The first very important identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Children, if you try to look at this particular picture, you can easily identify that this is a right angled triangle which is right angled at B. That means angle B is 90 degree. Here in this triangle, angle B is 90 degree. Okay. Now, since angle B is 90 degree, this one is 90 degree. These two angles, angle A and angle C, both are acute angles. Let us say that angle A is equal to theta. Angle A is equal to theta. So, which one is the opposite side? Just you can see this. This is the opposite side. And children, you know that AC is your hypotenuse. This is the biggest side and this is the hypotenuse. Now this left, AB is left and this side is nothing but adjacent side. Okay. Now from here, let us take the LHS. Okay. Let us take the LHS. To solve the LHS, first you have to find out how much is sine theta. Tell me how much is sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite side. Sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is your opposite side here, children? Opposite side is BC. BC divided by AC. Sine theta is nothing but BC divided by AC. Okay. So what is your sine square theta? Therefore, sine square theta will be equal to BC square by AC square. Okay. This is your number 1. Now let us go for equation number 2. How much is your cos theta? Now see, cos theta is always adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Now what is your adjacent side here? Your adjacent side is AB and your hypotenuse is AC. So AB divided by AC. Now children, let us square on both the sides. So cos square theta will be equal to AB square by AC square. Isn't it? AB square by AC square. Now let us say that this is your equation 2. Let us say that this is your equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. What will you get? Sine square theta plus cos square theta. Now how much is your sine square theta? It is equal to BC square by AC square. How much is your cos square theta? It is AB square by AC square. Now what you will be getting? You will be getting, let me do it here. You will be getting BC square plus AB square by AC square. Isn't it? Now children, look at the figure. Look at the figure. BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square. This numerator is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. This is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So you will get AC square by AC square, which will be equal to 1. So you can say that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Children, now let us see the next identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now see here, again I have taken a triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degree. Children, this time I have taken theta on angle C. Now see which one is the opposite side. Opposite side is AB here. And AC is your hypotenuse. Okay. AC is your hypotenuse. And BC is your adjacent side. Theta is always locked between adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent side and hypotenuse. This you have to keep in mind. Now, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is what we have to prove. Okay. This is what we have to prove. To prove 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, as earlier we have done, let us take LHS. Now what is your LHS? LHS is your 1 plus tan square theta. Isn't it? Now 1 plus tan square theta means 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta. Now this means you must know how much is your sine theta. How much is your sine theta? Now tell me how much is sine theta from here? From here sine theta is equal to AB by AC. It is equal to AB by AC. So sine square theta will be equal to AB square by AC square. Okay. Now what is your cos square theta? Cos square theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here your adjacent side is BC. So BC square by AC square. Children, you have to pay attention. Sin theta is O and cos theta is R. If you are able to write down your adjacent side, opposite side properly, then it will be very easy for you to find out what is sin theta and what is cos theta. Okay. Now see, sin square theta is AB square by AC square, cos square theta is BC square by AC square, and if you find out sin square theta by cos square theta, it will be equal to AB square by AC square divided by BC square by AC square. So BC square by AC square will be inverted, AC square will be cut off, and you will be left with AB square by BC square. Or from here, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB square by BC square. Now see, this is equal to 1 plus how much? AB square by BC square. Okay. Now see this one. When you find out the LCM, you will get BC square in the denominator, and here you will be left with BC square plus AB square. Isn't it, children? Now see, BC square plus AB square. What is BC square plus AB square? BC square is this one and AB square is this one. Now BC square plus AB square will be equal to your hypotenuse, isn't it? This will be equal to your hypotenuse. So that means BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square by BC square. Now see, AC square by BC square. AC square is your hypotenuse and BC square is your adjacent side. So hypotenuse by adjacent side. That means this is a reverse of cos theta, because cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. See here, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, but you are getting hypotenuse square by adjacent side square. That means this is equal to your 1 by cos square theta, and this will be equal to sec square theta. Isn't it? So this way you can show that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now children, let us see the third identity. What is our third identity? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay. Now let me take theta here at A. Okay. Every time I am changing the position of theta so that you can understand how opposite side and adjacent side changes with the change of the side of theta. Suppose it is here, then the opposite side is in front of it. Your opposite side is BC. Okay. Hypotenuse is AC because angle B is 90 here. Now AB is your adjacent side. Okay. Now children, let us see how you can come at the conclusion how 1 plus cot square theta becomes cosec square theta. Now see, 1 plus cot square theta, it is equal to 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Why cos square theta by sin square theta? Actually, cot square theta is the reverse of tan square theta. Cot square theta is equal to 1 by tan square theta, and tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. So reverse of tan square theta will become cos square theta by sin square theta. So your cot square theta is 1 plus cos square 1 plus cot square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta by sin square theta. Now let us find out how much is your cos square theta. How much is your cos square theta? Okay, so see, cos square theta is equal to your adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB square by AC square. AB square by AC square. And your sin square theta is opposite side by sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. So sin square theta will become BC square by AC square. So let us write down this one here. So now here from here you can say that cos square theta by sin square theta will become AB square by BC square. See, AB square by AC square divided by BC square by AC square. BC square by AC square will be inverted. So your AC square and AC square will be cancelled and you will be left with AB square by BC square. Now your AB square plus AB square by BC square is your cot square theta. So here after this you can see that this becomes 1 plus AB square by BC square. Okay. Now if you find out the LCM, your denominator will become BC square and your numerator will become BC square plus AB square. So children, BC square plus AB square. Now look here. What is your BC square? BC square is this one. Okay. What is your AC square? Your AB square. Sorry, AB square. Your AB square is this one. So AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem, it will become AC square. It will become AC square. This one. Sorry. This one. So children, so here you can say that BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. And this BC square plus AB square is equal to AC square by, now BC square will come as it is. Now see, what is your BC square? BC square is your opposite side. So hypotenuse by opposite side will give you 1 by sine, and 1 by sine means cosec. So here it is in square form, AC square by BC square. So that will be equal to 1 by sine square theta or cosec square theta. So this will become cosec square theta. This way you can find out 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Children, now let us sum up what we have learned in this particular topic. See, we have first shown sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From here, you have to follow two more things. Sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay? Or sin theta will be equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta. This you have to keep in mind. Now what will be your second point? What will be your second point? Let us see your second point. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So if you are keeping cos square theta in the LHS, so you will get 1 minus sin square theta in your RHS. From here, cos theta will be equal to root of 1 minus sin square theta. This you have to keep in mind. Okay. I am not writing plus or minus in any, because see, sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So sine theta must be equal to plus or minus root 1 minus cos square theta, and cos theta should be equal to plus or minus root 1 minus sine square theta. But I am not using plus or minus because we are taking angles from 0 degree to 90 degree only. We are talking about the angles 0 degree to 90 degree, and they are all positive. Between this range. Okay, now see, let us see our second identity. This was our first identity. Now what was our second identity? What we have done? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Children, here you can keep tan square theta in your LHS, so your RHS becomes sec square theta minus 1. Sometimes you have to use this, and you can also write 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. I am keeping 1 in the LHS, and your RHS becomes sec square theta minus tan square theta, or you can also say sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is very, very, very important, these two points. Now what was our third? What was our third identity? Our third identity was 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Now see, from here you can write cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. And also you can write 1 is equal to, keep this 1 here, and if you send cot square theta to your RHS, 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Or you can say that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are very, very, very important if you keep in point of view the coming questions in worksheet 8.4. Children, please pay attention. This is very, very important when you are solving simplification questions. So please go through these identities, solve these identities as many times as you can, so that these identities get infused into your mind.